any creature truly escape the grip of the jungle's most formidable constrictor?
Welcome to the world of pythons, the silent, dominant giants of the wild.
From the steamy jungles of Asia to the arid plains of Africa, pythons rule.
These serpents, masters of stealth, are apex predators in their ecosystems.
Among them, the reticulated python, the longest snake on Earth. And the Burmese python, a heavyweight champion, unmatched in sheer power.
Today, we delve into their incredible lives, from birth to their formidable hunting prowess.
Survival for a python begins with invisibility. They are born masters of disguise.
Their unique scale patterns allow them to vanish into their surroundings. Patience is a python's greatest weapon. They can wait for days, even weeks.
Every muscle tensed, every sense alert, waiting for the perfect moment.
Even in darkness, their specialized heat sensors pinpoint unsuspecting prey. A young deer, momentarily distracted, wanders too close to the hidden danger. The python locks onto its target, initiating the silent stalk. Every inch of movement calculated, ensuring absolute surprise.
With explosive power, the Burmese python launches its attack.
In an instant, the python's powerful coils engulf its prey. This isn't about crushing bones. It's about suffocating the life out of its victim. With each exhalation from its prey, the python tightens its grip, cutting off blood flow.
The python's constriction is one of nature's most efficient and terrifying hunting methods.
Once the prey is subdued, the real challenge begins: consumption. Their unique jaw structure allows them to swallow animals several times wider than their own head. It's a slow, arduous process, a testament to the python's evolutionary adaptations.
The python walks its jaws over the prey, steadily drawing it into its digestive system.
A full meal can take hours, even days, to fully ingest. After such an immense meal, the python enters a state of deep digestion.
This period of vulnerability can last for weeks, during which the python becomes an easy target.
But life for a python isn't just about hunting. It's about ensuring the next generation. Mating rituals can be surprisingly delicate for such powerful creatures. Once fertilized, the female Burmese python seeks a safe, secluded spot for her precious clutch. She can lay dozens of eggs, a testament to her dedication to her lineage.
Each egg holds the promise of a new, formidable predator.
Unlike many reptiles, the female python exhibits remarkable maternal care.
She shivers her body, generating warmth to incubate the eggs at the perfect temperature.
This dedication ensures the highest chance of survival for her offspring.
After weeks of incubation, a new generation begins to stir.
The world outside is harsh, but instinct guides these tiny predators. Each hatchling emerges, a miniature replica of its formidable parents.
They are born completely independent, ready to face the wild alone.
Their journey to dominance has just begun.
For a newly hatched Burmese python, survival is a relentless, daily struggle. Every moment presents a new challenge.
From the moment it breaks free, instinct guides its every move, preparing it for a predatory existence.
Its forked tongue acts as an advanced sensory organ, detecting even the faintest scent of potential prey nearby.
In this dense jungle, life and death intertwine. An unsuspecting meal could be just a breath away.
A subtle movement, a faint tremor on the ground, triggers the young Burmese python's innate hunting response. Its world narrows to a single point, the target. The hunt has begun in earnest for the young Burmese python. Stealth is paramount. The young Burmese python moves with incredible precision, minimizing any sound or vibration. Every muscle fiber works in perfect harmony, a silent dance of predator and prey in the undergrowth. Unaware of the impending danger, the field mouse continues its search for sustenance, oblivious to the hunter. A moment of absolute stillness, a coiled spring of scales and muscle, preparing for the decisive strike.
With explosive speed, the young Burmese python strikes, a sudden, calculated move that leaves no escape.
Its jaws, designed for capture, secure a firm grip. The first critical phase of the hunt is complete. The strike is precise, the grip immediate. The small field mouse is now completely ensnared in its predator's grasp.
Without hesitation, the young Burmese python begins to coil, its strong body engulfing the field mouse, tightening its hold.
Each breath the field mouse takes, the young Burmese python tightens its grip, slowly overwhelming its unfortunate prey.
The python's powerful muscles ensure the field mouse is completely incapacitated, ready for the next phase of the meal.
Once the field mouse is subdued, the young Burmese python begins the slow, deliberate process of consumption.
Its incredibly flexible jaw allows it to swallow prey much larger than its own head, a true marvel of adaptation. A slow, arduous process, but essential for survival. The young Burmese python is now nourished, ready for growth. The meal moves slowly through its body, providing the energy needed for rapid growth and development. With each successful hunt, the young Burmese python grows, shedding its skin to accommodate its expanding body.
As it grows, its old skin becomes tight, dull. A milky film over its eyes signals the imminent shedding process.
To shed, the Burmese python seeks out rough surfaces, meticulously rubbing its snout to create a tear in the old skin.
It's a delicate process as the old skin peels away, revealing the vibrant, brand new scales, glistening with renewed life. Emerging from its old self, the Burmese python is reborn, its new skin brighter, patterns sharper, ready for further adventures. Now a juvenile, the Burmese python explores new territories, its instincts guiding it through the complex jungle environment.
In the water, the Burmese python transforms, becoming a silent, agile swimmer, perfectly adapted to its aquatic movements.
Its gaze sweeps across the new landscape, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities of its ever-expanding world.